Anna, thank you so much for sharing your experience and what kind of led you into getting into the lash industry. I can resonate so much because I too have a background, and that is 100% on why I got into the lash industry. But not only that, that's why I opened up DLU. So I commend you and I applaud you because I know the pressure that it comes with. Like, you think your time is valuable. Somebody that has a background and is looking to make their life sustainable, but also think about their future. I commend you for, going through this process and getting your lash license. So I really
thank
appreciate
you. Yeah, it's actually pretty challenging because when you look in the past of your life, you think, you made all these mistakes. What am I supposed to do now? I can't get a job, a good paying job. So the only opportunity as someone with a background is to run their own business.
Yeah.
And I got that opportunity with DLU because no really matter what your background is, you can still be successful.
Yes,
So,
I agree.
yes, second chances.
Yes, here's to second chances.
Yes.